إن الحمد لله ثم الصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى أهله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد فالسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Inshallah, in this video, I'm going to be explaining to you how you can add your group representative into your ad account, so that if there's need for him to help moderate one or two things or adjust one or two things for you, just in case you're not getting it, you'll be able to assist you with that. So for you to be able to do that, there are actually two different types of ad accounts. You have the personal ad account and the business ad account. So I'm going to be doing the explanation first for the business ad account, and thereafter I'll go for the explanation for the personal ad account. So once you're on your home page, you go to ads manager. So once it's done loading, the next thing we're going to do is go to settings. But because this is I actually have two types of ad accounts here. I have the personal and the business. So I'm going to first do the business. So this is the business ad account. So now it's done loading. So this business ad account, if you want to add someone, what you're going to do is you're going to click on these three bars and you go to business settings. So once it's done loading, you are going to see an interface like this, and all you just need to do is click on add people. So once you click on add people, it's going to ask you for the email of the person or persons you want to add. So you are going to input their email. So in my case, I'm just going to input an email just for the sake of explanation. I'll click on next. So I need to ask you for the controls you want the person to have. Do you understand? And we're going to come here. We're going to give him full access. So view and manage. We give him full access to manage everything. So and once you are done with that, you are going to click on invite. And to tell you that the invitation has been sent, and you click on done. So once the invitation has been sent, you'll be able to see the person here under the people, and that's how to add it for the business account. However, if it's for your personal ad account, the first thing you need to do is you need to first add the person as a friend. The person has to be your friend before you can add him for your personal ad account. So I'm just going to go to the personal ad account first. Yeah. So if you want to add the person as a friend, you need to go to your normal Facebook account, which is facebook.com. And when you are there, whatever name your representative for your group is using, you're going to search for the person here under search. Do you understand? So this is an example of someone I've searched, and wherever he is, you just add the person as a friend. So once the person accepts the friend request, then you now go to the second stage, and the second stage has to do with adding the person as a person that has control over the ad account. So for us to do that again, let's go back to our home page. We'll go to ads manager. So this ad account is a personal ad account. So for us to be able to make the adjustments, you just click on here. You're going to go to add account settings. Unlike the one for business where you look for business settings, in this case it's going to be add account settings. So you click on it. So once you're done clicking on it, it loads and you scroll down. So this is where you are going to add people. So you click on add people. So it's going to ask you to enter that your friend's name. So once the person has been accepted as a friend, when you click on the person's name, you will be able to add him, and you will make sure that it is add account admin. Add account admin, and you add the person's name based on the name he has given you to you. And once you have done that, you confirm it and it will be sent to him. So that is basically how to add your representatives to the group. We ask Allah to the Facebook ad account. So we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala makes it better understood than said, and He forgives us our shortcomings. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdik nashhadu an la ilaha illa ant wa nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk.